All right,
need to film
Douglas.
me now when I'm
So
all
how about
sweaty.
some parting words? Well, then you get to see just how nice you look when you're sweaty.
Oh, I know what I look like.
Okay. All right. So I hope that
Cheers.
whatever that kind of beer that is you like it well enough.
It's American Grain Belt. It's original,
Okay.
what, St. Paul, like, isn't it?
I don't know.
Yes.
All right. Well, very good. Very good. So hopefully that will quench some thirst and
Oh, August Shell. That's New Ulm.
okay. Oh, okay. So it is local.
I think they took over.
Oh.
Grain Belt, St. Paul, New Ulm took it over.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Still local.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you so
Douglas.
much.
Thank me?
No, I'm just saying facetiously for allowing me to come here and
Oh, right.
Injure
That's right.
myself.
That's right, Douglas. Yes, I am becoming reacquainted with your wonderful sense of humor. Yes. All right. I do get practice though because Dennis
Okay, thank
he
you.
does some of that too. So, all right.
Thanks. I feel like I'm married now.
Okay. All right.
All
well,
right.
thank you again,
Thank you.
and
Thank
say
you,
hi to
really,
Kim
so
and
much.
wish her a happy birthday
Yes, I will.
for us. Okay.
Thanks.
All
We'll
right,
see
and
ya.
I will be in
Okay.
and I will be in touch with Kim.
Yes. I'll
So
let her
hopefully we'll plan something fun.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
of
have your camera out
I know.
so that when she first sees the car, you can get her expression.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel.
All right.
Okay, have a good day,
Thanks.
Douglas.
Thank you
Bye
again.
bye.